This dance is called Love You Cha. It's a 32 count, 2-wall beginner level line dance with 2 restarts. Starting on the right foot, walk forward 2 steps, right, left. Shuffle forward on the right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, right, close, right. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight back on the right, shuffle back on the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps, back, close, back. That set of steps once more then. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle. Rock to the side on the right. Recover your weight on the left. Cross shuffle, 1 and 2 count timing steps, right over left. So you're going to cross the right over left, step the left to the side, cross the right over the left again. That is your cross shuffle. Repeat that with the left foot leading. So we're going to rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, cross shuffle, 1 and 2 count timing steps, left over right, left, side, cross, left over right. That set of steps once more then, side rock, cross shuffle, off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle. Add on a vine to the right. So you're going to step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. No weight on that left. We're now going into a rolling vine to the left. If you're just getting yourself familiar with doing vines, I would suggest you stick and do a normal vine to the left, which will be stepping the left to the side, cross the right behind, left to the side, touch. So you can just do a normal vine to the left if you don't feel comfortable doing the rolling vine. The rolling vine is the equivalent of a full turn. If you want to have a go at the rolling vine, it's quarter turn left as you step forward on that left. Half a turn left as you step back on the right. Further quarter turn left as you step the left to the side, then touch the right beside the left. Rolling vine, so it is the equivalent of a full turn. Like I say, if you're not comfortable with doing, or you're just getting used to doing the vines, you can just put in a normal vine instead as a non-turning alternative. Otherwise, that set of steps once more then. Vining to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, turn, 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 touch. Or side, behind, side, touch if you wish to take that rolling vine out. So let's add that to the top. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side, behind, side, touch, turn, 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 touch. Touch your right toe forward on the diagonal. As you bump your hips forward, then back, step on that right. Repeat with the left. So you're going to touch the left diagonally forward as you bump your hips forward to the left, back to the right, step down on that left. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the left. Step forward on the right, pivot another quarter of a turn to the left. So you end up facing the back wall. So that last little set of steps then, into these hip bumps. So it's 2 bumps, step down on the foot. They are 1 and 2 count timing steps. So you're going to bump forward on 1, back on 2, step, back on the and, step on 2. Step and bump forward on 3, back on the and, step down on the 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Let's just try that set of steps with those step pivots on the end. Off on the right. 7, 8. Forward, back, step, forward, back, step, step, pivot, step, pivot. End a dance when you get to that point. Let's put it all together. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, right shuffle. Forward rock, back shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side behind, side touch, turn, 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 touch, forward back step, step, pivot, step, pivot. That is your dance. Now because there are some and counts, and just to get that timing in with those hip bumps, I'll go through it now with the counts. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see where all those and counts actually fit in. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so we'll have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. But I'll also speed it up a bit when we get back to the front, because the music is just a little bit faster. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, right shuffle. Forward rock, back shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side behind, side touch, turn, 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 touch, bump, bump, step, step, pivot, step, pivot. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side behind, side touch, turn, 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 touch, bump, bump, step, step, pivot, step, pivot. So hopefully you've got the dance now. So that is it, that's your dance and your walk through. But there are 2 little restarts in this dance. Just keep on your toes, they come in different places as well. So your first one is in wall 3, halfway through the dance. So you will have done your side rock cross shuffle, you restart the dance. Wall 3 is our front wall. Let's take you up to 16 counts, our first restart point, and restart the dance. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, restart, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle. So that's your first restart point. Wall 3 after 16 counts, halfway through the dance. Your second one comes on wall 7. Wall 7 will actually be your back wall. After 24 counts, so 3/4 of the way through the dance, you will have just done your vine section. So your vine, your rolling vine, or your double vine, if you're not rolling, and then you restart at that point. So let's take you up to 24 counts, wall 7, restart the dance. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side behind, side, touch, turn, 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 touch, restart, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle. So that is your second restart point. Wall 7 after 24 counts. I will call them out to you as we get to it in the music. Otherwise, that is your dance, that's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side behind, side touch, turn, 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 touch, bump, step, pivot, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side behind, side touch, turn, 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 touch, bump, step, pivot, walks, restart, walk, forward rock, back shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, restart, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side behind, side touch, turn, touch, turn, touch, bump, step, pivot, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, side behind, side touch, turn, touch, bump, step, pivot, walks, side rock, fine, bumps, walks, restart walk, side rock, vines, restart walks, side rock, vines, bumps, hope you managed that one.